She was amazing, always very talented, very creative, but very loving and caring. Just an amazing daughter. We started seeing things happen that summer after her senior year. I had had a diagnosis of bipolar. We had to call the police, and she was threatened with involuntary commitment to the state hospital, and she never rebounded from that. She had her medication, she went to all her doctor's appointments, but she just became more and more and more depressed. We tried to handle it with her doctor as much as we could, and ultimately she just said she snapped, and she overdosed on February 18th last year. She died the next morning as soon as we arrived at the hospital.
She will be loved, and she will be loved.
She made an irrational decision because of her illness and her depression, but she knew where she was going, and I know where she is now. And for the first time in 3 years, I don't worry about her anymore, because I know she's with her Heavenly Father, and her world is finally okay, and she's not suffering anymore.